In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use custom mode to structure lyrics with vocal meta tags for clearer AI-generated vocals. If you want your generated song to sound more focused and less cluttered, this is a simple but very effective workflow. The main idea is to guide the model more clearly, especially when you want the voice to stay clean and easy to understand. Start by going to the Create panel and turning on Custom Mode. This is important because custom mode gives you more control over how your lyrics and instructions are interpreted. Instead of relying only on a general prompt, you can shape the result more deliberately. That extra control is especially useful when vocals are your priority. Once custom mode is enabled, structure your lyrics using clear meta tags. For example, you can add tags like open bracket, clear vocals, close bracket, open bracket, solo, vocal close bracket, or open bracket acoustic close bracket. These tags help communicate the style and vocal presentation you want in different sections of the song. When read by the system, they act like directional cues, making it easier to produce a result that matches your intention. As you place these tags, keep them relevant to the section they describe. If a part of the track should feel intimate and exposed, a tag like solo vocal can help reinforce that. If you're aiming for a cleaner, more intelligible vocal delivery, clear vocals is a strong choice. And if you want a stripped back feel, acoustic can signal a lighter arrangement. The goal here is not to overload the lyrics with too many labels, but to use a few explicit tags that make the structure easy to understand. Next, keep your instrument prompts minimal. This matters a lot. If your instrumental description is too dense or too demanding, the vocal layer can get overpowered, buried in the mix, or even come out sounding distorted. A simpler instrumental prompt